tracks.
What are you going to be doing today?
Playing the leaves.
Playing in the leaves?
Yeah. Trolley tracks. Taking nugget.
Good job. Yep.
Come on, move the leaves.
No, I'm Bob.
Hi, Bob.
What's wrong with the leaves?
It kind of
Oh, that's fun.
Bob, it just stuck.
No, Bob got stuck.
It's so silly.
So silly, yes.
Oh my God.
I don't know. Go find it. Go find it.
I can't go in there myself.
Yes, you can. Where you going? This way?
Can't find the tree.
Not sure. Where could it be?
Oh, yeah. No. Okay.
I see it. I see it.
Oh, yeah. Can't get it.
Gotta climb in there.
Okay.
Here.
Oh my God.
Here, I'll get it. You following me?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, leaving.
Right over there. See it? See it right there? See it right there?
Yeah.
See the blue?
I need to stop on that one.
Do you see it?
Oh yeah.
I don't see it.
Wait,
Wait, what's that? I see a wheel. I see a wheel.
Oh yeah.
I see a wheel.
Let us sing. Stop on.
Oh, we almost got it. Leaves. Get it.
Come on, get it.
What was that? What's that? Oh, you got it?
Oh, come on, I need you
What's
to
that?
hold me.
What's that right there?
What?
Is that another monster truck?
How did it get in here?
I don't know how it got here.
The dog right here. I didn't stop anyone. Oh my God. That's
Careful. Get it. Get it. No! Why did you throw it farther?
Oh my God.
Oh no! Oh my God! Oh, you almost got it! You almost got it!
Yeah.
Oh, you're so close! Here, I think I can get it. Oh, careful!
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, your shoe's stuck! I think I can get it. I think I can. Oh, I got it! I got it!
Oh yay.
No, don't throw it!
Somebody help me.
You need help? Come here.
Come
Sit on the stick.
There you go. Thank you.
All right, now let's go on an adventure with your monster trucks.
Alright, we're in the leaves.
Yeah, in the leaves.
Hey, are you going to Bento?
I would love to go on an adventure.
Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, I like to go on Bento.
Yeah, let's go.
Go!
Oh! You're not supposed to jump in. We're supposed to drive it. That's why we have wheels.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Oh yeah. Hey
Yes.
dude. Hey dude. Let's go into the leaves. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh,
Let's go. Oh no! He jumped and he fell.
Hey, what are you doing now?
I fell.
I'm coming. Oh,
I slipped.
the monster need help.
The monster truck needs help.
Hey, Essie, come here. Hey, Essie. Hey, what you want? I'm trying to step. Really? I'm crazy. Oh, what? How you over there? I'm trying to do that thing. Yeah,
take you ever so. Oh, ow, ow.
I'm gonna dip me out.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
You got out.
I step on.
You stepped on your monster truck.
I stuck.
Oh no, you're stuck.
Okay, that's about it.
Oh, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive.
Hey, are you going on that one? That's over there?
Yeah, let's
I don't swim. Another.
okay,
Are you just stuck?
let's go on another adventure. Thank you, Everest. Thank you.
Bye.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, stop.
Huh? Oh, that's a very nice stick. Very nice stick.
Hey, you. If you drive on it.
Drive on it. Oh no.
Okay, I'm alive. Still alive.
I fell again. I fell again. Everyone's falling. They keep slipping. Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Go save them. Yeah?
Where is the other thing? The yellow one.
The yellow one?
Yeah.
I'm not sure where he went. Oh no. It's right there. Do you see him?
Oh, yeah.
Can you save him?
I can't do this. Oh, I put it out. I put it out.
He's almost there.
Save him. That one, yeah, that one.
Oh no, Charlie!
What?
Charlie, he's right there.
What? Oh, yeah, save him. Oh, my.
You saved him? You're gonna save him?
Ah,
You saved him! Yay!
save him. Now I need one.
Come here. Oh no. You okay? Oh, careful.
It's a bit lost. Make your hand.
You're strong. Oh! Oh! Here. Oh! Oh! I think that's enough adventuring in the leaves today, don't you think?
I know.
Yeah.
We do that again!
We're gonna do it again?
Yeah!
But you gotta come for next video.
Like and subscribe. You wanna know what my video's done? Start and subscribe. Bye!